So hey guys, this is Amar and it's from Silly Vlogs and welcome to my YouTube channel Silly Vlogs. So माइक का क्वालिटी आई नो कि अभी ख़राब हो रहा होगा क्योंकि अभी विंड बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पर, बहुत ज़्यादा विंड चल रही है. सो मैंने माइक भी नहीं लगाया है अभी क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास होल्डर नहीं है. माइक अगर लगाऊंगा तो बार बार गिरेगा. सो ये वीडियो पहला मेरा नेचर का ब्लॉग होने वाला है जिसमें सिर्फ टाइम लैप्स और फॉरेस्ट के वीडियोस है. सो इन्जॉय दिस वीडियो. अगर ये वीडियो पे 15 लाइक्स आएंगे तो मैं इसका शॉर्ट फिल्म एक बनाऊंगा नेचर के ऊपर विद इन 2-3 वीक्स. और मुझे 8 डेज़ के अंदर अगर 15 लाइक्स आ गए सो नेचर का ब्लॉग आपका 1 मंथ के अंदर आएगा. एंड वेदर तो अभी जल्दी से जल्दी जाके लाइक करो. और वेदर अभी यहाँ का बहुत विंडी है. सो अगर मैं इस तरफ रोटेट करूँगा तो मेरा बाल फेस इस तरफ करूँगा सो मेरे पूरे बाल उड़ने लगेंगे. इस करके रखूँगा तो बहुत बाल उड़ेंगे क्योंकि अभी हवा चल रही है. एंड यू कैन सी द वेदर. और इधर तक सिंपल एंड ये पूरा ब्लैक है. एंड अभी भी देखो बहुत ज़्यादा विंड चल रही है. सो आप इंजॉय करो ये वीडियो. एंड अब मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ यो. ठीक है. सो एंजॉय दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल सिली ब्लॉग्स. ठीक है.
We grew far apart, so who would have known? Thank God one place us here under one home. You changed my life that day, and I thank the Lord for placing a love like this in our beating hearts. Robbie, I've waited so long, now I see all of this was your plan. I wish I'd known this all along. Oh, I never could imagine that I'd find a loving soul like hers. Oh, how you work in all your ways. Oh Lord, you blessed us both when we felt alone. You brought our hearts together and you made us one. Oh Lord, you gave us love, and I ask that you keep our hearts together until we great old. I pray you keep us close. I pray you keep us close. These eyes are made for you and no one else. I pray you keep that smile like you always are. We'll keep our Lord first wherever we are, and teach our kids to be true to who they are. Robbie, I've waited so long, now I see all of this was your plan. I wish I'd known this all along. Oh, 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 I never could imagine that I'd find a loving soul like hers. Oh, how you work in all your ways. Oh Lord, you blessed us both when we felt alone. You brought our hearts together and you made us one. Oh Lord, you gave us love, and I ask that you keep our hearts together until we're great old. I pray you keep us close. I pray you keep us close. I wanna stay with you, even up above. When we're in heaven, I pray you're by my side. Oh Lord, you blessed us both when we felt alone. You brought our hearts together and you made us one. Oh Lord, you gave us love, and I ask that you keep our hearts together until we're great old. I pray you keep us close. Keep us close. I pray you keep us close. Oh, I pray you keep us close. Oh, 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 oh. Walking around, sunshine beaming down, feeling freer than a jet airbound. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Love's in the air 'cause it's summertime. I'm feeling this breeze, oh please don't mind. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. There's no need for any magic pills 'cause being me is enough for thrill. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum. I'll just beat me, and you can't take that away from me. No, I'll just beat me while roaming the streets. Oh, I'll just beat me, and you can't take that away from me. I meet 1,000 different people with 1,000 different feelings about me. So I'll just be, oh, I'll just beat me, oh, oh. I'll just be, oh, I'll just beat